Right now, the Food and Drug Administration is meeting to decide whether to grant emergency use authorization for Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine. Pfizer is stockpiling doses of the vaccine at its facility in Pleasant Prairie right now. That's where we find our Katie CROWTHER. And Katie, it's kind of amazing to think this life-saving juice that could turn the tide in the pandemic is just sitting right behind you, behind those walls right now here in Wisconsin.
That is so true, Vince. A lot of people waiting on this. So far, though, I have to tell you, there's been little movement, little action here at the Pfizer facility where we know doses of the COVID-19 vaccine are being stored. We don't really expect to see any movement here until federal approval comes, which, as you mentioned, is possibly later this afternoon. If approval is granted, which is expected, Pfizer is ready to move out its doses to local providers, including Advocate Aurora. Leaders there provided an update this morning on its COVID-19 vaccine preparedness. They plan to start vaccinating their frontline healthcare workers as early as next week.
Immunization is an urgency. It's not an emergency. And it's very important to maintain an orderly process around immunization of our team members to make sure we identify the right people who need the vaccine and then to go from there. But we expect that hopefully in the next 4 or 6 weeks, we should be able to immunize all of our patient-facing team members.
Yeah, and we will also be hearing from Governor Tony Evers and leaders from Wisconsin's Department of Health Services in just about 90 minutes now for their daily briefing. We're hoping to learn more about the Wisconsin's rollout of the COVID-19 vaccine from them. And of course, we will be streaming that briefing on all the TMJ4 streaming apps and our Facebook page. We will also bring you the latest on the evening news tonight, but we are here monitoring things and we'll stay here to bring you the latest. For now, though, I'll send it back to you, Vince.